Hi, I'm Laura Uherka.
And I'm Robert Uherka.
We are the proud owners of Simply Change, senior move specialists and professional organizers here in Western North Carolina.
Our specialty is working with seniors on helping them to coordinate their moves, plan it out, and we take them through the whole process of packing for them, um, planning what furniture to take, liquidating furniture, and of course, setting them up in their new place.
There's a couple of things that make our services really valuable, one of which is the care and compassion we work with our clients with. Side by side, we'll be with them in their closets and in their areas that need sorting and help them decide through downsizing what they can take with them and what items have priority. And another feature is that we do a floor plan, a 3D floor plan to see what's actually going to fit into their new space.
Moving can be one of the biggest stressors in a person's life, and we know that. And so we do everything we can to reduce that stress and make the move as graceful as possible.
So if you or someone you know and care about needs some help in making some decisions or with a move or even just with organizing their home, please think of Simply Change and give us a call.